Hi, this is Austin Dubina shooting his 5-minute video tutorial of his final app for CS496. I'm going to go ahead and start by loading the application onto my home Android Galaxy Note 3 device. Okay, so the application has popped up. And once the GPS marker finds where our device is, that will stop blinking. Once the device stops blinking, you can see the latitude and longitude changing as you move the device around. So the device is actually indeed picking up the latitude and longitude coordinates from the phone. So if I put the phone back down, this button says send coordinates. If there's no connection to the server, you press it, it'll just say failure. So this is important because in order to accomplish this, you actually need to do two threads, one for waiting for a response back from the server, and then another to handle the response back from the server. So this prevents the application from locking up every time I press this button. So it's not getting a response back from the server, so it's hitting failure. So we'll go back to my laptop here. And if I turn on the web server, there it is. And those are just info messages. There's no actual errors or anything. So I turn on the web server. Actually, and if I go back, here is the web interface for my application. So that's really basic. There's nothing really on it. All this does is list the GPS coordinates from my Android app and puts them in here with the date created, latitude and longitude. This button just executes on an endpoint to delete random GPS coordinates. So this is my basic web interface right here. The other nice thing to note about this phone is it is actually native Android. I programmed it in Java, not using Titanium and JavaScript. It actually made things a lot easier and run a lot more smoothly. So anyway, so now that I have the server up and running, I'm going to go ahead and hit send coordinates. And as you can see, there it says success. If we go back to my laptop and you go open up Eclipse, there it's actually updated what went into the database. And if we go, sorry, I'm trying to videotape and navigate at the same time. If we go back to the web interface, refresh, there is the data point that we just captured. And the current time is 8:44, so that looks about right. Though that time zone might be off, but so yeah, that's it. That's my app in a nutshell. It doesn't need to be connected to run it. So in fact, if I publish this to the Droid app or Google Play Store, you can walk around and just keep tapping this button and send all these GPS coordinates to this Google application engine server. So if I hit refresh, there they all are. Thank you. That's the end of my video.